Hi, I'm Dr. Steve Missler from Nutrilite Research and Development. We're going to conduct the demo today on our new XX food supplement. At Nutrilite, we combine nature with science to deliver prime food supplements, and XX is a great example to show this philosophy. So let's get started. You'll need 3 small glasses, some hot water, a teaspoon, and tablets from our new XX product. First, pour water in each of the 3 glasses. And then, starting with the vitamin tablet, then the mineral, and then the phytonutrient, place 1 tablet in each of the 3 glasses. Now, this demonstration will take about 5 to 10 minutes for the tablets to fully dissolve. And during this time, you can strike up a conversation about the attributes of new XX. For example, that XX provides 12 vitamins, 10 minerals, and 22 plants, all of those plants coming from sustainable farms. Nutrilite controls the entire process from seed to supplement. Now, one thing that is important to know is that in order to make the tablets all about the same size, we had to spread phytonutrients throughout the different tablets. So you are going to have phytonutrients in the vitamin, and in the mineral, and in the phytonutrient tablet. Remember, when you see the colors develop, that there are no artificial colors, flavors, aromas, or preservatives in Nutrilite products. So the color you see really comes from one of the ingredients. So let's start with a vitamin tablet. Now, the first thing that you'll notice is a rich orange color that develops. Let's talk about that orange color. What is that due to? Well, the rich orange color is driven by a combination of yellow, orange, and red ingredients. The yellow color comes from the B vitamins. Beta-carotene, a precursor of vitamin A, adds orange, as well as lutein, which is a phytonutrient derived from marigold flowers. The red comes from lycopene, derived from tomato. Lycopene is a phytonutrient from the class of carotenoids. So let's move on and talk about the mineral tablet. Now, you notice that this tablet develops a light green color. And what's that due to? Well, the green color comes from several plant sources: peppermint, alfalfa, watercress, parsley, and spinach. Let's move on to the phytonutrient tablet. Well, at first, you'll notice a rich green color that develops from this tablet, showing the presence of plant ingredients in phytonutrients. In fact, XX contains 22 plants and phytonutrients from all 5 colors of the phytospectrum. Each color delivers valuable nutrients. Now, over time, this tablet will develop a darker, richer color. This is due to our new berry blend with grape, black currant, elderberry, and blueberry. Those berries contain a class of phytonutrients called anthocyanins, which contributes a purple color to the tablet. So in conclusion, at Nutrilite, we combine science and nature to deliver prime food supplements. The vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients in XX work together to provide optimal health benefits. Optimal health is about a healthy lifestyle that includes good dietary choices in combination with moderate exercise. It's about the right amount of the right nutrients. So, when a hectic lifestyle means not getting the right nutrients, New Double X can help fill the potential gaps. Thank you.